Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the steps on how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First thing, you want to force shut off the device by pressing the volume down and the power key together for about 5 to 10 seconds. Once the device is off, you want to switch to the volume up key and press the power. Release the power, keep holding the volume up until you get to the menu in the next screen right here. Scroll down to Factory Data Reset. Then press the power key down to the second option. Press the power. Then you want to go to the reset the partition. Press the power down to yes. Press the power key once more. Then you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this tutorial helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.